Daily Dose of 2 reviews here. It's been a few days since I did a video, so I'm back. I was indisposed, but here we are. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Bauer Brushless Rotary hammer. And I'm also going to be showing you guys my little haul that I did from Harbor Freight and Home Depot. We'll start off with Home Depot because it has less things in there. I got these Diablo blades for testing out, which I already made a video on testing out the new brushless Bauer recip saw. But I have a viewer, Chuck, who asked me to test it out with Diablo blades. And I know it took me a while, but I got the blades. And I'll be doing a video testing the recip saw with the Diablo blades. Now, the other thing that we got from Harbor Freight here, besides the rotary hammer, it was a 27 grit sanding wheels for my grinder. And I did get some of the bits for the rotary hammer, which I won't be testing out the rotary hammer today. But I do have a project coming up where I will be needing it. And I will do a video on that, and then I'll show you guys what's going on with that. But just to let you guys know, just on the rotary hammer, the drill bits, and the sanding discs, at Harbor Freight I ended up paying $154.28 with taxes. And now let's get to the unboxing. Alright guys, so let's get to the unboxing here. You got your manual, your depth guide here, your rotary hammer, now let's go through some of the features that it comes with. Alright, specifications: BPM 0 to 4,600, RPMs 0 to 1,300, chuck type SDS plus type, max drilling diameter, it's 1/2 inch, modes: drilling, hammer only, and bit rotation adjustment. Length is 12 inches. Alright, so it also comes with so we know it's brushless. Technology means more run time than brush tools. SDS plus type, auto loading, chuck for quick, secure, and tool-free bit changes. 4 mode selector for drilling, hammer only, and bit rotation adjustment. LED light for increased work area visibility. Powerful and compact design produces 4,600 BPMs to hammer through the toughest materials. Neutral mode for chuck chisel bit adjustment. I almost said Cheetos there. Lightweight 4.9 pound design makes this tool easy to hold for extended periods. Variable speed trigger for maximum control and precision. Overmold grip for optimal comfort and less vibration transfer. Drills more than 200 3/8 holes per charge. Powered by Bauer 20-volt lithium-ion battery, which of course is sold separately. Alright. Like always, I'll post a picture. You guys can pause the video and take a look at it. So here's your mode switch. Let's see. For drilling, hammer drill, rotation. I can get it to turn, and hammer. Alright, so let's see what it sounds like with a battery. Alright guys, before I even turn this on, I didn't mention that the handle is rotatable and it tightens up by turning it clockwise. Now it's firm. Here's your little button for your guide. And it's one button, and you can adjust it by pressing, sliding it back and forth. You let go, and it's set. Alright, let's take this off, and give me a second to put a bit on there. Alright guys, so you need to pull the collar here to get it in and out. There we go. And the same with this 1/2 inch. Oh. Hammer. So I cannot use that right now because I haven't started my project, but I'll set something up and we'll give it a go with this one right now. All right, so give me a second, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. Short review, unboxing on the new Bauer Brushless Rotary Hammer. If you guys like this, please give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and leave comments. Let me know whether you liked it or not. You know, give me your thoughts, whatever it is. So once again, thank you guys for watching. 2 reviews, daily dose of 2 reviews here, signing out.